Dropshipping is a popular way to sell products without holding inventory, but there are some common mistakes when using a free version of the platform that can affect your success. The first problem is that you cannot communicate directly with customers, nor can you chat with suppliers. This limitation makes it difficult to answer questions, confirm orders, or solve problems quickly, which can negatively impact your customer service. The second common mistake is related to product details. Often, the platform may allow you to view some product information, but not the full details, such as accurate pricing, availability, or specifications. Without this information, it is hard to make informed decisions and offer the right products to your customers. The third issue appears when using the import list. Some products on the platform are no longer available for sale, even if you have already added them to your import list. These unavailable products cannot be sold, which can lead to wasted time and potential customer disappointment. To address this, you need to contact the supplier directly for each product. Check if they still have stock and confirm whether it is available for sale. This helps you avoid listing products that are out of stock and ensures that your store only shows items that can actually be purchased. Finally, always monitor your listings for availability. If a product is marked as limited or sold out, it is important to replace it with other products that your customers can actually buy. Regularly updating your store and verifying stock helps maintain a smooth dropshipping operation and improves customer satisfaction. By paying attention to these common mistakes and addressing them, you can manage your dropshipping store more effectively and reduce errors caused by platform limitations. Spocket helps you build your dropshipping store in just 5 minutes with AI. Access high-quality products with super fast shipping from premium US and EU suppliers. Start your free 14-day trial at YB.Digital/drop and revolutionize your e-commerce success today.